Well, hi, I'm Carl, and welcome back to Adventures in Camping. Today, it's practical application time for all the lashing that I just did. Now, an important thing to know about lashing is if you get the basics down, you can do almost anything. We're going to take those basics and we're going to make a sawbuck. A sawbuck is a very important camp tool, and you want a sawbuck that's sturdy, but you want it to be movable. I've seen some out there that are not. We're going to make one that we can move. Subscribe and help me reach and teach kids, youth, and young adults skills that will benefit them for a lifetime. And hit that little bell so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. Let's get to it. We have the field expedient sawbuck that I made for the other videos. We're going to use it for the length for our other poles because I know that it's at a comfortable height to work with. That's what you're going to have to determine when you make your own sawbuck. The poles on this one are a little bit over 4.5 feet. Something for you to think about. What's comfortable for you? How tall are you? So now I'm going to use them as the pattern for my other poles. Now this needs to be kind of deep. You're in the way. Move. We have a joint to be proud of. See this? See how it fits nicely into the other one. As long as I put it in the right spot. I need to lash the two of these together. Yes, this is a lot of trouble. Keeping it tight. One's going to be a little more tricky because of the joint, but that's okay. We can work around that. There's a one, there's the first one. Now we're on the second one. So you have to weave it kind of into the joint. Up. Down. And around. And over, and And now we finish it off with a square knot. Okay, yes, I have some left over. It's okay. I'll probably end up using that too. Well, we're not done with this yet, but it's in a better position to work from now. Since I want to be able to move this thing around, it's got to be ultra sturdy, which means it's going to be a little more complicated. Now, I need a cross member right here. All right, there we go. We have both of those. I'm going to flip it over and put the cross brace down here so that it's underneath. Pause. Yes, I am getting ready to do it also. So now I have to make my marks on both sides here and cut that out. Time to tie another diagonal lashing. There you have it. Everything on one single plane. This is just the beginning. It's a complicated build, but as I said, it will be worth it. Now, we got 2 more of these to make, cross members to make. I'm not going to try to do this all in one video. So now you see the beginning, come back for part 2. Let's have some adventures in camping and be ready. And don't be a victim to natural selection.